In this module, we will learn about divergence, that is a very important tool and is observed between price and indicator of a respective chart. With the help of divergence, one can get early signals to enter or exit. Whenever such divergence signals are received, one can take position combining other indicators. When there is a divergence between price and other indicators such as RSI, MACD and stochastic, we get signals of trend reversal. Divergence can be positive or negative. If we spot such divergences at different stages of bull and bear market, we can take an early entry and make a good percentage gain in short term. But there is some risk involved in this because after a divergence is formed, the trend reversal could take some time. So we must have patience. In an uptrend, if prices makes a new high, but the indicator fails to do so, then it is a bearish divergence or negative divergence. And in downtrend, if price makes a new low, but indicator that we use doesn't going downside and it is going upside, a bullish divergence or positive divergence is seen. We can combine divergence with RSI to get better results. In this chart, prices are rising, but from this point to this point, you can see this is a RSI, and from this point, prices are rising, but the RSI going in downward direction. So it is giving a negative divergence signal. Then you can see prices fall down from this point. So we get a signal here that prices will fall down and we can exit from our position here. Now in this chart, the prices are in downtrend and they are falling down, but from this point, see this point, this is the point, we get a positive divergence. Prices are falling down, but RSI is going in upward direction. So from this point, prices rise in upward direction. You can see this is the downtrend and now this is the uptrend. Now we will take an example. This is an hourly chart and now we will see how divergence tells us when to exit or when to take our position. Now see, we will start from here. Prices, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle. The prices are from 6 hour, they are at same level. But from this point to this level, RSI gives us a positive divergence. RSI is in upside, upward direction. So we get a signal that market will rise now. And you can see prices rise and they move in uptrend. Now see, this was the peak of RSI and from this point to this peak, prices are rising up. But RSI gives us a negative signal. RSI is going downward. You can see this and this. So we get a signal here that prices now will move down. We can exit here. Again, this is a very good example of a divergence. This is a negative divergence. Now see, this was the peak here and this peak. You can see RSI is going in downward direction here, but the prices are in upward direction. This is a negative divergence. So from this point you can see prices move down. Again this low and this low, see they are at same level, but as RSI this was the level and this was this level. So RSI is giving a positive divergence. Now RSI is moving in upward direction and prices are at same level. They are not moving in upward direction. So after this consolidation, prices move in upward direction. We can take early position here. Now this is also a good example of positive divergence. You can see from this point to this point, prices are falling down, but RSI is at same level. So RSI is giving a positive divergence. Prices are falling down, but RSI is not falling down. It is at a same level. So this is a signal and this is also a support line. We can initiate our buy position here. So now see prices move in upward direction and they go to this resistance line.